Energy-efficient windows in Meridian, Idaho, are a top choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy performance. These energy-efficient windows Meridian are designed to reduce energy consumption and enhance comfort, making them a smart investment for any property in Meridian. Window insulation services in Meridian offer a range of solutions to improve your home's thermal efficiency. By sealing gaps and using advanced materials, these services ensure that your energy-efficient windows Meridian provide maximum insulation, reducing energy loss and lowering utility bills. Double-glazed windows in Meridian are a popular option for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These energy-efficient windows Meridian feature 2 panes of glass with a space in between, providing superior thermal performance and comfort for Meridian residents. Low-E glass in Meridian, Idaho, is an innovative solution for improving window efficiency. This type of energy-efficient windows Meridian has a special coating that reflects heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, contributing to significant energy savings. Thermal windows in Meridian are designed to provide excellent insulation and energy conservation. These energy-efficient windows Meridian help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for heating and cooling and promoting energy efficiency in Meridian homes. Energy-saving windows in Meridian are an essential component of any energy-efficient home. By reducing heat transfer and improving insulation, these energy-efficient windows Meridian help lower energy bills and enhance indoor comfort for Meridian residents. Window replacement in Meridian, Idaho, is a crucial step in upgrading your home's energy efficiency. New energy-efficient windows Meridian with advanced technology can significantly improve insulation, reduce energy costs, and increase the overall value of your property in Meridian. Window installation in Meridian is a service that ensures your new energy-efficient windows Meridian are fitted correctly for optimal performance. Professional installation is key to maximizing the benefits of energy-efficient windows and achieving long-term energy savings in Meridian. Energy Star windows in Meridian are certified to meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. These energy-efficient windows Meridian are designed to reduce energy consumption and provide superior insulation, making them an excellent choice for environmentally conscious homeowners in Meridian. Triple-pane windows in Meridian, Idaho, offer exceptional insulation and energy efficiency. With 3 layers of glass, these energy-efficient windows Meridian provide superior thermal performance, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort in Meridian homes. Window upgrades in Meridian are a smart investment for improving your home's energy efficiency. By replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient windows Meridian, you can enjoy lower energy bills and increased comfort in your Meridian residence. Insulated glass in Meridian, Idaho, is a key component of energy-efficient windows. This type of energy-efficient windows Meridian provides excellent thermal insulation, reducing heat transfer and improving the overall energy performance of your home in Meridian. Window efficiency in Meridian is crucial for reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. By choosing energy-efficient windows Meridian with advanced insulation and performance features, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort in Meridian. Window sealing in Meridian, Idaho, is an important aspect of maintaining window performance. Proper sealing prevents air leaks and drafts, ensuring that your energy-efficient windows Meridian provide maximum insulation and energy savings in Meridian. Energy-efficient windows in Meridian, Idaho, are essential for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy conservation. With advanced window technology, these energy-efficient windows Meridian offer superior window performance and window efficiency, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round. Window insulation is a key factor in reducing energy costs, and Meridian Window Insulation Services provide top-notch solutions for all your needs. Window replacement in Meridian, Idaho, is a smart investment for those seeking window cost savings and enhanced window durability. By opting for Energy Star energy-efficient windows Meridian, you can enjoy the benefits of window sustainability and window innovation. Double-glazed windows in Meridian offer excellent thermal windows performance, while triple-pane energy-efficient windows Meridian provide even greater energy-saving windows benefits. Low-E glass in Meridian, Idaho, is a popular choice for window upgrades, offering superior window sealing and window enhancements. This advanced window technology helps to reduce heat transfer, making your home more energy efficient. Insulated glass in Meridian, Idaho is another excellent option for those looking to improve window comfort and window retrofitting with energy-efficient windows Meridian. Window installation in Meridian is a seamless process with professional services that ensure your new energy-efficient windows Meridian are installed correctly for optimal window performance. Energy-saving windows in Meridian are designed to provide maximum window efficiency, helping you achieve significant energy conservation. Window solutions in Meridian, Idaho are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner, ensuring that you receive the best energy-efficient windows Meridian enhancements for your home. Window retrofitting in Meridian, Idaho is an excellent way to improve the energy efficiency of your existing windows. By upgrading to thermal energy-efficient windows Meridian, you can enjoy the benefits of window sustainability and window innovation. Window durability in Meridian is enhanced with the use of high-quality materials and expert installation techniques, ensuring long-lasting window performance. Window comfort in Meridian is a top priority for homeowners, and with the right energy-efficient windows Meridian solutions, you can achieve a comfortable living environment. Window technology in Meridian is constantly evolving, offering new and improved options for window upgrades. Whether you're looking for window cost savings or enhanced window durability, Meridian has the perfect energy-efficient windows Meridian solutions for you.